Students, now first you draw four side border with scale. Write today's date and write the topic Angry Birds. Students, first you draw with pencil and afterwards you do outline with black marker. Now we are going to start. First you draw half circle. Leave little space. And again you draw half circle. In here and complete the circle. Here draw curve line. Like this way you draw here. Now here draw standing line and slanting line. One more small slanting line, standing line and slanting line, like this way. Now we are going to draw face detailing. So first all of you draw like this way, curved line. Okay, we are making eyebrows. So first you draw like this way, slipping line, like this way, slanting line. Give little curve and joint it. Here also curve, like this way you joint it. Now we are going to draw eyes. So first you like this way draw two small circle, one big circle, one more big circle, and we join it nicely like this way. Now next step we are going to draw big. So like this way two slanting line and one little curve shape. Here again you draw like this way slanting line and joint it nicely. Okay, now next step you draw here down curve line. Okay, now next we are going to draw Angry Bird one more. Here like this way you draw curve line, down also draw like this way curve line, joint it, one more curve line, leave little space and continue till here. Slanting line, slipping line, slanting line. Like this way you draw. Same you draw here slanting line. Use slanting line and complete the drawing like this way. Okay, now next step we are going to draw face detailing. So first you draw one small standing line. Now we are going to draw eyebrows. So like this way standing line, curve line, slanting line and curve line. One more another side you same method follow. Okay, now we are going to draw eyes. So first you two small circle draw and draw two big circle like this way and complete the eyes. Okay, now we are going to draw big. So like this way curve line and slanting line, like this way you draw. Here also same two slanting line draw. Okay, now next step here you draw curve line, see like this way. Okay, one more we are going to draw. So first you draw like this way circle. First you complete half circle, another side also complete half circle and join it nicely. Okay, now curve line, give shape like this way. Here draw. Now face detailing we are going to draw. So first we are making eyebrows. Like this way, draw eyebrows, 2 small circle and 2 big circle. Okay, our eyes is ready. Now here big, like this way you draw. Okay students, our Angry Bird drawing is ready. Now we are going to fill color. Okay.